Oh, that's not right.
Have a blade.
Right there. We'll check this out in a minute. I'm just going to pack it all first. Heavy one connect. If you don't like someone, you can brick the windows with that.
And make a wall out of it.
Yeah, we'll connect the window back in like that, and we'll do all that in a minute. That's the neck for the stand. What's that? Email.
Well, that was packaged very well.
Yeah, they've missed a bit. At least it's got.
They just dumped it in this one.
Yeah, got all the protective covers on there, hasn't it? So that's the stand. It's similar to the curve, but not curve.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not a fan of those stands.
No bag on that either. Oh, well. Someone in the warehouse has been naughty. Maybe it was packaged on a Friday. He wanted to get to the pub.
Maybe it was on the promise or something.
It's a screen protector, yeah. It's a small one, isn't it? Cool.
Oh, jelly.
Oh, straight into the 75. I'll tell you what, I'll be reading that there in a minute. This is what I was on about before, because that's where either the no gap mount or the pedestal locates in those 4 holes. But that's the VESA mounts now.
What?
That's what I mean. So they're only 200 square, aren't they?
Yeah.
I think they're 200. I'll measure them, but they look like 200 square. Whereas usually they're out there on the casing and they're 400. What was that?
PlayStation people.
Virtual friend. Just get, I suppose I'll cut those and be nice and neat. Screws of pink washers. Pink washers because it is 2018 equal rights. Oh.
Well, if it's equal, where's the blue one?
It's special.
I'm not even filming that then. Yeah.
One day they'll be really annoying and they'll blister pack all of this. Just so you cut your fingers when you get them out.
Was that horrible plastic stuff?
Which bit?
Blister pack.
Yeah, it's what you cut your hands on, isn't it? When you... Oh, where's that screw? It's behind the neck, isn't it? At least the neck comes off nicely again. Because like I say, them other ones, you were yanking at them like that and it's like, Jesus, they're going to come off. Put that on there for now. Oh, not located in. That's it. They've got a plastic washer on them now. It's not something you'd expect to come loose. I wonder if somebody didn't put them on properly and dropped off. Yep. For them, the usual normal remote. I suppose I'll get that out. I'll use that. I'm not that bothered about the smart remote. We'll see in those. I'm going to show the smart remote because actually you don't get the premium one. It's a bit. I would have expected the metal premium one on this model, but it is a lot cheaper. I think this tell is $17.99. I'll check later. It's a shorter cable than the other one, so that's a 1.5 metre. Wall mount washers. Triple A's, AOs, and the one connect lead with power and signal. That's a good idea though, if you're wall mounting, because at least it's just that, isn't it?
Yeah.
We could easily slice one of those into a plasterboard wall and quickly fill it back up. But let's get the one connect out. For HDMI, one connect, LAN, optical, common interface. I never know anything that uses that in this country anymore, but aerial, twin set, mains, EX link, and USB 2 again. Half amp, 2 half amps and a 1 amp. That's it. And infrared through the front, and Bluetooth on the remote.
Nothing on the other side then?
No.
No, just a vent.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's what I was going to say, it should click in. Cable. Don't know why it comes out down there. You look where it comes out. Because
Can't it?
yeah, but the
No, but if it's going down there, it don't need to go out down
I suppose it's for if it's going on a wall. It kind of
Yeah.
dictates where the cable's coming out. But that's it anyway behind there. Oh. I think the wheel steering they should have set to 50. If we're going to use it, going down with this full slip, well, that'd be weird. When the track's on that, isn't it? Into the ground.
Oh, that's good.
The big lines, you can actually charge other stuff off if you want it. It's just crazy.
Drugs could affect young people differently.
So what did you find? Drugs?
We found that only fluoxetine on
Dr.
average
Zander.
was better.
Only one of all these 14 antidepressants was better than taking a sugar pill.
Yes.
This drug, these do not work any better than sugar pills.
Just quickly check the demo and
Sertraline.
the same as
We
the
know that 40%
Q8, I guess.
of young people in the UK on antidepressants are on sertraline. So why would that be?
I can think of possible reasons. One is, it might be that people have tried
They do always look really nice on the demos, don't they? But it's kind of, I think it's pretty much last year's Q7F, just with the one connect box and the one cable. This is the one with bare broccoli, isn't it? Oh no, quick, zip the train line up, the train's gonna crash. No, it's the sound keeps clicking. I don't know if that TV's right, to be honest. Now got wall mount. Doesn't say Q heavy at the top. Might as well do a Ghostbusters that, where the sky starts to go funny and the monsters come down. Or the ghosts. Yeah.